I'm Shelley.
And I'm Heidi.
And we're from Gaijin Pod.
And today we're at Tsugu Tokyo to learn how to do kintsugi.
Let's go!
Kintsugi is a Japanese technique of restoring broken pottery and ceramics. The process involves using lacquer, also known as urushi, with metallic powders to give the appearance of gold and silver linings where the cracks once were.
Those are like 100 years old Japanese plates.
Oh wow. Be careful then.
Good. Yes. Urushi, the lacquer touches on your skin. It may cause skin irritation.
Oh.
So please wear the rubber gloves.
This is so surgical.
Yeah.
A brush and a spatula.
Yeah. When urushi gets any oil, urushi will not be hardened. So we have to remove oil from any tools
Okay.
with ethanol and wash the brush top in it.
It's so fine, the brush.
Then I give you raw urushi. So first you have to refine it by stirring like this
Oh.
to expose to the air so that the water goes away,
So the water
evaporates.
Oh.
This is the tree.
Oh, that's where they get it from.
Yeah.
Oh.
And we scratch and then take the sap. This is the
So
one.
this is the sap.
Oh.
It grows in Japan, China, and South Asian countries.
Oh, okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm from Australia.
Okay, maybe not. So it grows like for 10 or 15 years, and we take all the sap. It's one tree produces only 200 milliliter of
Oh,
urushi,
wow.
and then not anymore. So
After that, that's gone.
that's gone. So we have to cut, and then new tree comes. This is the sandpaper, waterproof sandpaper.
Ooh.
You sand on
Until
the
it's
black.
matte.
Yes.
Got it.
Yeah. Good.
I think that looks pretty matte.
And then look at your urushi. It's turned darker than
Oh.
before.
Yeah.
Yeah. So please stir it more.
This is fun, actually.
Yeah. It's so satisfying. It's like one of those like ASMR videos. It kind of look like chocolate.
Yeah, or like syrup or something, like
Yeah.
caramel syrup.
I want you to add Bengal red powder.
Ooh.
I
In
love
it.
this spoon. So cute.
Too much. Yes, and this is very sticky, so I wipe
Oh,
it off
okay.
immediately.
So what is this? This.
This is made of iron oxide, de-iron tree oxide
Oh,
from soil.
Oh, okay.
And there are two reasons why we have to make red. First reason is gold shines better on red. The second reason is when you apply red, you see the contrast. So red and black is different
Right.
color. So you know where you are missing.
It looks like a lipstick.
Actually, yeah, now it's like rouge.
Yeah.
So you will apply red urushi onto the black cracked part. But it should be very thin, because if you apply too thick, gold powder sinks into urushi and then you ruin it. And if it becomes a little transparent, this is the sign. So next time when you take, not from here but from here.
Ah, okay. Oh, this is difficult.
I know. I'm like holding my breath.
Don't touch.
Oh, okay. Does that look okay?
actually very good.
Yay!
You do nail or handwork?
Yeah, I do my eyeliner.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
This is genuine gold powder. Expensive.
Yeah.
Less than 1 gram of gold.
Wow.
This is silk ball. It already has a lot of gold. But take a lot of powder and wipe from the side. Don't stamp. From the side gently. Start from the line.
Okay.
Gently from the side. Yes. Yes, gently. Oh, yes. Great.
Wow.
Ah.
Okay.
Okay, then the other part.
Wow.
Wow, it's magic.
Yeah, almost immediate.
Yeah.
Good.
She's
Congratulations.
natural.
Yeah, successful. Very good. You already learned a lot. So. Nice touch.
Trying to go as gently as I can.
Yes, yes. Yeah, take more powder. Good. Hi, successful.
Yay.
Congratulations. You finished with gold.
Right.
Gold. But we have other color as well. We can finish with silver and platinum.
Whoa.
And even without metal powder, like just black and red. Any color except for white. We cannot make white because as you see Urushi is originally
Brownish,
brown.
yeah.
So even though we put a lot of white powder, it will not become very white.
Do you know when Kintsugi started? Like who came up with the idea and stuff?
Yeah, Kintsugi started from 15th century in Japan.
Oh.
But people started repairing broken things with Urushi from 10,000 years ago.
Oh my gosh.
Wabi-sabi way of thinking was very popular. So people appreciated the aged thing, the broken thing, than new thing. Now I store it in a special chamber.
Ooh. Let's go check
you want
it
to
out.
come?
Yeah.
Yes.
This is Urushi drying chamber.
Oh.
Okay. The condition should be around 25 degrees Celsius, and also the humidity is between 70 to 85%. So warm and humid, like Japanese summer condition. So we put wet towel and heater. This is what we are repairing. So we repair like more than 100 broken pieces per month.
Oh wow. It's a
Is
lot.
there a restriction on what you can fix? Like is it just like glass
Or ceramics.
ceramics or
Ceramics, yes, and sometimes glass.
wow.
This is the thing.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Wow.
Glass kintsugi is very, very advanced and difficult.
Right.
You sand it today, right?
Right,
So
right,
As
right.
soon as you sand on glass, it's make a scratch.
Wow, look at that. People are doing their mugs and everything.
So it doesn't have to be very expensive. People, so the emotion attached to the
Yeah.
object.
I can imagine.
Oh, that's so nice. Like a very sentimental value
Yeah,
is attached to it.
sentimental. And now it's like even more.
Beautiful because of the kintsugi.
It has the history of accidentally breaking
Breaking it.
So repairing cost is more than the original
Price
object.
of the
Yeah. So we did the last part where we put the gold on, but what did we actually miss? Like what's the first part of how do you stick the plate together?
It has a long process. so first stick the pieces together with urushi paste made of urushi water and cake flour.
Oh,
Flour for
unexpected.
bread. Yeah. And you stick together and you place it in the urushi drying chamber for a week. And then when it's fixed, fill the chipped area with urushi, flour, water, and wood powder and polishing powder. Polishing powder is made of stone. So we make a pate, hard pate,
Oh.
to fill the chipped area.
Kind of like cement kind of filling
Cement,
it up.
yes.
Oh.
And then leave it in the urushi drying chamber. We apply black urushi to make the crack smooth.
Right.
Like is there a big difference of if you get someone else to do it professionally for you compared to if you do it at home? Like, what's the price difference?
Price differs depending on how battery is broken. Okay, if the object is just chipped like small area, it could be like 5,000 to 6,000 yen.
Okay.
But if it's broken like into 21 pieces like this,
Wow.
it could be like 100,000 yen.
Wow.
Because we use a lot of gold.
Yes.
The amount of gold and then the time we spend to repair
Yes.
the object. So we measure the length of the cracked area and then calculate the price.
I see. Wow. Can I see the back of it?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Is there
Yes,
like
for-
a professional Kintsugi master or something, or is it like more of like does anyone can do it type thing?
More than 1 year, maybe you can be a master.
Oh, that's cool.
There are no certificate for
Right.
Oh, there's like no levels to this.
No, but we make it in our Kintsugi workshops, Kintsugi lessons, but it's not like national exam or
I see.
Yeah.
Licensure.
Rather than pretending that the scars don't exist or trying to conceal them, they are accepted as part of the piece's story, coinciding with the Japanese philosophy of wabi-sabi and mottai nai, which roughly translates to waste not, want not.